Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we're doing our Tiny Tuesdays. I have $25 here to save with, and we're gonna get rolling, and we have 3 new challenges, so let's get started. We're gonna do 2 bills for each challenge. Oops. How is everyone's Tuesday going? I kept thinking today, I'm filming this on Monday, I kept thinking that today was Tuesday. I guess I'm just wishing my week away, wishing it would go by faster. but yeah, it's only Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. And I feel like this week is going to go by really slowly. Man, I need to focus because I don't even know if I put my 2 bills down for that last roll. Okay, 2, and then the last dollar is going to number 6. Alrighty, let's see what we were able to save today. So I have some good news. I reached 4,000 watch hours. So thank you all so much to those of you who have run my playlists and shared them. I so appreciate you doing that and helping me hit that goal of 4,000 watch hours. So now I'm just waiting on, I guess the YouTube has to, like, I don't know how it works, but their watch hours are like backdated. So I have to wait, I think, a couple days for it to catch up. But hopefully that will be soon, and that's very exciting. So thank you all so much for your help and sharing out my playlists and doing the playlist watch parties and all that. I really appreciate you guys. Okay, so this first challenge is by Happy to Save with Hannah. This is a newer channel, so go check her out, guys. She's really fun. I've been enjoying watching her content. And so for this challenge, her lemonade challenge, we have $2 here that we're saving. So each one of these is just $1. We like to keep it simple, and we like to have quick wins over here so that we don't get discouraged, so that we stay motivated to save more monies. All right. This challenge is by Trisha at Wild Everest, and we are going to be saving $1, $2, $3, and $4. So I'm going to color in 2 of these shells. Let me get a nice blue. All right. So 2 and 4. Here we go. So with this challenge, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Just a few more dollars to go on that one. Okay, this one is by Plan to Save Designs. We are saving $2 per bunny. So today we have 1, 2, 3, 4 to add to this. So 2 and 4. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is going on? Okay, these 2 are that way. There we go. All right, so 12 is what we have in here. All right, then we have this new challenge. This is by Marissa's Monopoly Money. Oh my goodness, I couldn't say that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oh, so we finished this one. Okay, so we finished this on 5, 5 with $6. So this is going to go into our finished challenges bag. Let's see, I'm going to use a paper clip though to clip this together. And then we will put it in our finished challenges bag. We have a couple challenges in here already for the month of May, which is exciting. All right, then this one is by Bookish Mama Budgets. We are saving $1, $2, $3, and $4 with Bookish Mama. One, two, three, and four. I like that blue matches the dinosaur, I feel like. That's fun. All right, there's that. And then last challenge here is by Dawn's Sunrise Budgeting. And we are saving $1, $2, $3, $4, and $5. And we're going to make each one of these $2 because there are only 4 of them. So I want to make sure, I want to save more than just $4. I don't know. Does that make sense? I hope so. All right, and I'm going to do, I kind of want to do, I'm going to do this bright yellow center here. And ooh, I'm gonna do red. I don't know why I chose red, guys. I feel like I've been doing a lot of pastel colors lately, and I just needed some bright colors in my life for a second, for a change. Okay. All right. So wait, what did I even? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to color in 2 actually. Let's color in an umbrella. Let's do an umbrella. All right, there we go. There's our little umbrella, and we'll make the stem, the handle. Why was I thinking stem? The handle, that's what it's called on an umbrella. We'll make that yellow. Okay. Oh my goodness, you guys. All right, so we have 4 and 5 with this challenge. All right, guys, and that is it for this Tiny Tuesdays video. We finished 1 challenge this week, so we are going to bring in another one for next time. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're new here, please say hi in the comments. I would love to get to know you. And if you're not new here, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next video. We are doing our scratch off binder next time, and so exciting. I finally bought some of these scratchers, so I'm gonna feel so fancy scratching with this. So exciting. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.